Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to exclude a group in WordPress for 2025. The steps are simple, and by the end, you'll feel confident making the change yourself. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress site. Once the homepage loads, click the login button at the top right corner. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google. Pick the Google account linked to your WordPress site and you'll be logged in automatically. Quick and secure. Once inside the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This takes you into the WordPress site editor where you can make adjustments. In the editor, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the list that appears, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, open the block section. Here, you'll see a list of all block types that can be shown or hidden. Find the option labeled Group and toggle it off. That's it. Your group block is now excluded. The change applies instantly, so you'll see the effect right away in your editor view. And there you go. You've successfully excluded a group in WordPress. This little tweak gives you more control over your site's design and content. Thanks for following along, and enjoy customizing your WordPress site with ease.